Now we'll see what are the functions of calcium. What are the major functions of calcium? First function, it helps in activating certain enzyme. There are enzymes which can be directly activated by calcium or through calmodulin, a protein, regulatory protein called calmodulin. Calmodulin is actually a regulatory protein. So what happens, calmodulin can combine with 4 calcium ions and it will activate certain kinases. Inactive kinases are activated by calcium calmodulin complex, okay, by CC, calcium calmodulin complex. So this inactive kinases gets converted to active kinase. Now what are kinase enzymes? You have learned during your metabolism, kinases are enzymes that help in phosphorylation. Phosphorylation in turn activates certain enzymes. So these enzymes, kinases, active kinases will, so these are the mechanisms by which calcium can activate certain enzymes. Examples for such enzymes which are activated by calmodulin mediated calcium, glycogen synthase. They become active when they are phosphorylated. Glycogen synthase, pyruvate carboxylase, pyruvate dehydrogenase, etc. Okay, so all these are examples for enzymes which are activated by calcium through calcium calmodulin complex formation by activating the kinase enzyme. Now there are certain enzymes which are directly activated by calcium, like in your coagulation pathway, your calcium can be directly taking part in the activation. Now this is the first function, activation of enzyme. Second one, it actively takes part in muscle excitation contraction. Now once you receive the nerve impulse, your calcium is released from the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Calcium is released, it interacts with troponin C and causes actin myosin interaction leading to muscle contraction. So another major function of calcium is muscle contraction. Next one is nerve transmission. Calcium ions are released from presynaptic to postsynaptic vesicles. Okay, so third function, nerve transmission. Next one, it can act as a second messenger. It can also be involved in the secretion of certain hormones like insulin, parathyroid hormone, etc. Second messenger, it acts as a second messenger for glucagon and such hormones. Okay, so nerve transmission, second messenger, secretion of hormones, etc. Now another function, we are all aware that calcium is a factor in coagulation pathway. It's factor 4 in coagulation pathway, so it has a major role in coagulation. Calcium, it helps for the conversion of prothrombin to thrombin. Okay, calcium is required. It serves as factor 4. Another function we have already discussed, most of the calcium bulk is seen in both bone and teeth in the body. So bone and teeth formation, you require a large amount of calcium. This is another function, bone and teeth formation. It activates osteoblast, whereas which are bone forming cells, and inactivate osteoclast, which causes demineralization of bone.